they each not. So what we have left to do are these two steps here before we get to the minimum rate. So what we do now is we confirm or compare our contribution needed with the contribution that the group is bringing, right? So 40,940 minus 33,480. So now we know that we still need to cover at least a minimum of 7,460 through the rooms in order for us to, like I said, come up with a minimum requirement or opportunity cost of 0, as in like we're making as much as with the group as with the transient guests. On top of that, we're fully booked for 2 days. That's why we would accept the group. If we exceed that, even better. So what do we do now with this number? We will just divide it now with the total group size, which is 340. Why? Because I now need to break it down for the minimum contribution per room in order to then plus the variable cost to get to the minimum rate, because the minimum rate or the rates is always charged per room. So I must now divide with the group size. So that is that. And that's the figure now that I take for me to add back the variable cost of 25. And here we come out now with a minimum rate of 46.94. So we could round this now. Obviously, we need to have somehow rounded figure in mind to at least, let's say, 47, right? Because we don't want anything less than that, because we don't charge cents normally. And that now means with this 47 rounded, or 46.94 to be exact, that's the minimum rate we need from the group to be paid per room per night, plus all their extras here from the contribution analysis, in order for us to say yes to the group. Now it's a fairly acceptable rate. It's not too high, so that's something that probably should work here. And obviously good news is that they're thinking of spending 65 per room per night, because obviously they have their own math in their head with their total budget of 80,000. So in this case, no problem. We will accept their minimum requests of 65 euros. We can answer them back now that all these arrangements are possible at the prices that they had looked at or thought about, and we can accept this 65 euros per room per night for all their rooms of 340 in total.